So guys, ito yung nakuha natin guys. Oh. So we're going to wash this guys. Huhugasan natin. Yun. Hi guys! Good morning! So ito na yung malinis na vegetables natin guys, yung ating flower pumpkin and tops. So now guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang malaki kong fish. Nabili namin ito sa Brisbane at Mount Gravatt Plaza. Okay? So malinis na siya, huhugasan na lang natin at ating lagyan ng slit, lagyan ng konting asin at mga spices. Okay, just continue to follow the videos. Okay, thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet to this home, please do subscribe guys. Malaking tulong na rin yun ang pag-subscribe nyo sa aking channel. Sa mga loyal supporters ko, thank you for watching, and I hope nakapulot na naman kayo ng lessons out of this cooking show. Okay guys, so now we will proceed. Papainitin lang natin ng konti yung ating frying pan at lagyan natin ito ng mantika. Tapos ilagay natin guys ang ating onion at garlic. And heat up natin guys. Sa paglagay ng onion and garlic guys, hindi ko siya masyadong mainit ang ating frying pan para hindi siya masunog, para ma-absorb ang kanyang aroma. So yung aroma ng ating spices. So yun, nilagyan ko na ng mga spices yung inside ng ating big fish. Tapos ilagay na natin ito sa ating frying pan. So yun, nilagyan din natin ng kunting asin at saka kunting pepper. Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe ng aking channel, please subscribe and share. So malaking tulong na rin yun guys ang pag-subscribe nyo. Walang mawawala sa inyo kung mag-subscribe lang po kayo. So I've been subscribing and helping YouTuber for a long time. I hope you may recognize me in your comments, and you will also subscribe in my channel. So guys, nilagay na natin ang ating fish. Tapos yun, for a few minutes guys. Tapos i-flip over din natin guys. In this way, hindi siya madudurog. Okay, this is the only way you can put the fish first at the top of your spices, then i-flip over nyo rin guys for a few minutes para kapag nilagyan nyo yun na ng coconut milk, kasi this is a curry fish, so hindi siya madudurog. Okay, so i-follow nyo lang ang mga steps na ginagawa ko guys. So thank you for watching. Nilagay na natin ang ating pumpkin tops and flowers. Now the lemongrass and some of the spices we will add into, and we will also add salt, some coconut milk, 1 can of coconut milk, and also we will add some curry, spicy curry, and also I add a little bit of turmeric. And yes, just follow nyo lang yung aking mga ginagawa, okay? I hope you may try this in your own kitchen, guys. This is so nutritious, yummy. Okay? I have added also a ginger powder, a little bit of ginger powder, guys, para masarap siya, lalong sumasarap. So I also add a little bit of raw sugar kasi pag maglagay tayo ng curry powder, guys, be sure you add a little bit of raw sugar or brown sugar or white sugar. It depends on what's available in your own kitchen. Okay, that's my tip number one. Just continue to simmer until everything is done, and then yes, this is our very own uh, curry fish with pumpkin flowers and tops. And of course, nilagyan din natin ito ng tomatoes. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet to Test Home, please do subscribe, guys. I-hit nyo na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa susunod kong mga videos. This is Test Home. Naglagay na tayo ng turmeric, guys. So that's yummy, yummy. So this is Test Home, guys. Once again, please support my channel. So ang pag-subscribe nyo, guys, ay malaking tulong na rin yan sa aking channel. So I hope we can still make a cooking show in the near future. So your support is highly appreciated. So thank you for watching, everyone. And now I am chopping the green onion and chop 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 chop. So guys, thank you very much for watching to my channel, and to all my loyal supporters, thank you also for your always support to my channel, guys. Hindi ako aabot ng 4,000k kung hindi kayo nagsusuporta sa akin. So sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng aking channel, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe na, okay? So this is Tess Home, nagluluto pa rin hanggang sa huli. So simmer until cook. Look at, guys, it's very beautiful now. My mouth is watering. So I am very hungry, guys, kaya nagluluto ako. So kapag wala akong pasok, magluluto pa rin ako, okay? So magluluto na rin kayo, guys, okay? I hope you may try this in your very own kitchen, guys. This is so yum yum, okay? Thank you for watching.
So, ang ating rice is almost cooked. So, now we are going to prepare our table, guys, para kakain na tayo.
Let's clean our table, guys, with anti-bac. So now our food is ready. So let's eat. This is a curry fish with pumpkin flowers and tops, and short veg with vegetables. Thank you for watching and happy eating. Bye.